if you're having terrible signal issues where you got no range and your picture is just smushing out, and you don't understand why everything is fine, it's probably because of your walk snail antenna. The new, or the Caddx Vistas that come from Runcam, anything like with the link or anything that doesn't have the cherry antenna. So the original has like the cherry antenna, and the cherry antenna or the rush antenna is gray, and the gray one works perfectly. But for a while I thought my Vista was broken. I'm just like, why can't I go anywhere? I got no range. Somebody said something about the antennas being garbage, so all I did was swap out the antenna and I got all the normal range back. So those Runcam link antennas are absolute garbage. No range, and you have a crappy antenna that's not a proper one, then you know what to do. Get rid of it, order some rush antennas. I'll have some links in the description below, so just buy those and don't use anything else. They're great, they work. The battery is too big. Okay, well, that's not gonna hold the battery. We'll just put it like this. Damn it. Oh, I just want to know how bad the video is. Oh, I'll do it. Whatever. It's not strapping in. I shouldn't do this, but whatever. That's going to be a nice gentle flight just to test the range. Let's go.
What are you waiting for? Do it! Just do it! Yes, you can! Just do it!
Hopefully that helps you, maybe entertains you a little bit. The reason there was so much jello is because the battery wasn't strapped on properly. It was just shaking around and whatever. Usually it's a lot more smooth. This is my cinematic drone, the Cinnamon, the Cinnamon, and I'll do a video on it or whatever soon. If you like the stuff I do, if it's helpful and you find me entertaining, consider subscribing. You can subscribe Consider becoming a Patreon. You can be a Patreon at my lowest tier and be the very first one to start supporting me. Yes, it could be you, and we could start a very special relationship.